Hello friends, Namaskar, Sasikal, Salam. Today I am going to talk about weekly prediction week for 17th August to 23rd of August 2020. Before I start my weekly prediction, I want to suggest you something to all my viewers. We are already facing 85% bad situation in last few months, especially from Feb to till now. So we are already crossing a very panic situation, especially for COVID-19. Now we are very near to our destination after September 29th, after September 23rd, and start of October will be a big game changer date for COVID. So guys, be strong and stay positive. No need to worry about anything. Humanity will bounce back after the September-October 2020. Slow and steady, we will win the race against this COVID. So I just want to suggest to all of my viewers, stay strong and stay positive life, because from past 5-6 months we learn a lot of things on this earth. So I think in future we will do our wonders, we will do our best to improve our lifestyle, to improve our living style. So now I'm going to talk about weekly prediction, which is start from 17th August to 23rd of August 2020. You know very well my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign. And this is all prediction is based on Indian Vedic astrology. So guys, let's start for the Aries ascendants. Aries ascendants from 16th August, Mars enter in your Aries sign, which is very good for you. Mars enter in Aries sign and stay there next few months even, and receiving aspect from Jupiter, fifth aspect receiving from Jupiter from 9th house. Highly beneficial period, highly beneficial week for you. You will enter in a new horizon. Your willpower will be on another height. You think very positive, you start thinking even very positive, and you will get a lot of opportunities related to your work, related to your daily income. Your source of income will be rise, and your brothers will support you. Your elder brothers will support you, and you think very positive. You automatically start very think and very good about yourself and your health. You will enjoy very good health in this period. This period a biggest game changer for you, because your Lagan Lord is in first house, 9th Lord is in 9th house, 10th Lord is in 10th house. So this whole week from 17th August to 23rd of August 2020, a highly beneficial week for Aries ascendants, when you will get name, fame, prosperity. There is a strong chances to get to start new business venture with someone. If you are unemployed, you will get job. If you are already in job, your seniors will be satisfied from your performance, your targets will be fulfilled. The way you put efforts, the way you get the results. Because 17th August to 23rd of August, this whole week brings a lot of positivity, a lot of happiness for you. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. Taurus ascendants, for you, planet is going in a right direction, especially for you, because your 9th Lord Saturn is in 9th house and Mars enter in your 12th house, which is linked with your foreign land. You need to be careful. Some over expenditures will irritate you. Demand of your family or friends will irritate you in the terms of money. So you need to focus on your expenditures, and you need to think positive, because this is a very good time. If you are already in foreign land, then you will get promoted. If you are in India, then you will get any job in foreign land. This is a time when you will be sky high, because Mars receiving fifth aspect from Jupiter from 8th house. And these both houses linked with foreign journey or foreign activities or foreign job or foreign work permit. So Taurus ascendants, this is one of the ultimate week for you. If you are in India, if you want to settle in foreign land, if you are apply for any company, you will definitely get work permit. Or if you are already in foreign land, this is my prediction for you. You will get promoted in this week. You will get a lot of appreciation from your seniors. Your seniors will support you. You will get a lot of unexpected money. Your source of earning will be rise, and you will be sky high. You will be top, and you will enjoy all type of comforts. There is a lot of work pressure I see as per dynamics. If Mahadasha and Antardasha supporting you, you will be under a lot of work pressure, but you are able to manage all this work pressure. No need to worry. Do your best. You will get fantastic results. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants. Gemini ascendants, Jupiter is in your 7th house and Mars enter in your 11th house. As per dynamics, you will get some big support from your friend circle. You will get a big support from your elder siblings. Unexpected money will knock you. This whole week brings a lot of positivity for you. Family will support you, friend will support you. You will get new type of energy which will make your way easy, and your confidence level will be on another height. You will enjoy all type of comforts, but Saturn is in 8th house from your ascendant and retrograde. You need to be careful while talking with your family members. Don't use any harsh word, don't use any wrong communication, or don't stop communication with your family, because this is a time when you try to live far away, when you try to isolation, to live in isolation, and you are ignoring your parents, even you are ignoring your friends. So please don't do this, because Saturn aspect is on your second house, which is not very good for in the terms of relationship with you and your family, with your near and dears. So Gemini ascendants, you need to visit temple or Gurdwara Sahib on every Saturday. Sit there for half an hour and get some positive energy. It will help you a lot for maintain your willpower, maintain your respect in front of your near and dears. In the terms of job, Gemini, you will be top, you will be sky high this whole week. Those people who are unemployed will get job, because Mars transit in your 11th house, which is a house of fulfillment of wishes and desires. Mars may not be very beneficial planet for Gemini ascendants, but 11th house is a very good house in the terms of fulfillment of wishes and desires and earning. And you will get some unexpected gains from your old investment. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer ascendants. Mars is going to transit in your 10th house. Jupiter is Sagittarius in retrograde motion. Saturn is Capricorn, is retrograde motion in 7th house. And Saturn and Mars create 410. It's a scare like 410 yoke from each other. Cancer ascendant, this is a highly benefited week for you, especially in the term of job, especially in the terms of your business profession. If you are in any type of import-export business, then you will get a big deal, or you will get a big order from foreign land. And if you are unemployed, you are trying to find a job, you will get job, that is for sure. From 17th August to 23rd of August, you will be top, you will be sky high, and dynamics will help you. Mars transit in your 10th house will improve your business with mouth-to-mouth publicity. People will recognize you, people will trying to give you a lot of good response. If you are trader, if you are salesman, then your business will get promoted and you will enjoy a lot of benefits. Some unexpected money will knock you. Your business will give you a lot of good gains, which you never expect in this situation. But as per dynamics, because planets are helping you, if you have a very good Mahadasha or Antardasha in your Janam Kundli, in your Janam chart, you will definitely get promoted in business or job. And second thing, Saturn is retrograde in your 7th house. Sometimes you feel very alone, sometimes you feel very sick, and sometimes you feel in small depression. No need to worry about anything. Try to sharing your talks with your near and dear family and friends, because Saturn aspect is on your first house, will give you some type of tension or depression related to your personal life. So now I'm going to talk about Leo ascendants. Leo ascendants, Mars enter in your 9th house, which is very promising, very promising for you. You are already facing very good period. Leo, as per dynamic position from 17th August to 23rd of August, you will enter in a very positive events of your life. You will get new deals, new business deal, your fortune started smile for you. There is a long distance journey are also seen in your transit. If Mahadasha is supporting you, Antardasha is supporting you, you will definitely top and you will be rise. Your family will support you, your friends will support you, you will get new type of energy, and whatever you do, whatever you want to do, you will achieve your all milestones, you will achieve your all goals, because 9th house is active now. Mars is a lord of 9th house, transit in your 9th house. Saturn is in Sagittarius, Saturn is in Capricorn, Jupiter is in Sagittarius. All planets are in very well direction in this week. You will get promoted, and if you enter in any new business venture, then this is a very promising time. If you want to invest your money in your business or any new business or in stock market, then you will get achievements. You must invest your money, because this is a highly beneficial period for you. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo ascendants. Virgo ascendants, for you, you need to be careful about your health. Some hidden problems will irritate you. Blood infection seen as per transit. If Mahadasha is not supporting you, you must check your blood test after a month, after 2 months. That is compulsory for you. Don't ignore it. If you see any type of negative symptoms from your body, then don't ignore it. Must consult with nearest doctor, because there is some type of stomach related trouble or hidden places related trouble seen in transit. So if Mahadasha is not supporting you, Antardasha is not supporting you, this is a time when you are depression, when you are in tension, your hard work is not going to pay off you. This is a time when you involve in any small litigation and your money in waste or expenditures as litigation expenses. So if you are trying to settle in foreign, then this is not a right time. You have to be patient and wait for next 2-3 months. Planets will be in your favor after November, but this whole week brings lot of tension, stress, and hard time for you. Don't trust anyone. Don't give your money to anyone. Otherwise, you will be in big trouble. Now I'm going to talk about Libra Ascendants. Libra Ascendants, this whole week, you will enter in a new partnership. Your daily income will rise. You will enjoy a lot of benefits, lot of comforts. Your spouse and your business partner will give you lot of good results. You will enter in a new business venture which will create a lot of good profits, and sudden income, sudden money will make you happy, because this is a time when you will be bounced back and your business will be grow automatically. By the grace of God, you will get a new deals, you will get new opportunities, you will get new business partner which will give you lot of strength and confidence, and that confidence act like a game changer for you. Libra Ascendants, those people who have a Libra Ascendants, they are very talented, very capable. They know how to balance the whole situation, because Libra Ascendants have an ability to do something wonders. So as per transit, this is a highly beneficial week for you to enter or start in a new business venture. So guys, focus on your work, do your best, you will definitely get fantastic results. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio Ascendants. Your Lagan Lord is in 6th house, which is linked. Your past debts will be clear. If you want to take any loan from government side, there is a great chances. Some of your friends will support you. You may start a new business with the support of your near and dears. Planets are helping you. If Mahadasha and Antardasha is promising, or if Mahadasha and Antardasha is like a first lord, fifth lord, or ninth lord in your birth chart, you will definitely rock in this week. Some unexpected money will knock you, and you will clear your all past debts, and you will enter in a very positive events of your life. This is a time when you will be sky high, and you will enter in a new type of business which is linked with foreign. You may start any import-export business, and this is a time when you can start with the help of someone, and that person will be far away from your land. So guys, now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius Ascendants. Sagittarius Ascendants, this whole week brings a lot of positivity for you. You will be on another height of positivity. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your family and your friends will support you, and you will get some inheritance. There is a strong chances to switch off your job. You may enter in a new job and switch off your old one, and you will get promoted there, and your salary will be rise, or your seniors will be satisfied from your performance in your old job, because this is a time when bull eyes on you. This is a time when you are trying your best, and you will get fantastic results. Support of spouse and family are there. Support of your friends are there. You will be in a great willpower. You will be in a strong, willpower. Even you become a very passionate about your job, and your passion will give you lot of benefits. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn. Capricorn Ascendants, you need to be careful about your mother health. You need to be careful about relationship with your mother. This whole week brings a lot of mental stress related to your family atmosphere. 17th August to 23rd of August is not a very promising week for your mental stability. You are not enjoy all type of comforts. Your relationship with your mother will be under shadow, or your health of your mother will be matter of concern, because Mars is in your 4th house, which is not very well placement of Mars. So you need to be careful while talking with your mother. You need to be careful about health of your mother. Finances will be excellent, job will be excellent, you will get good profit from your business, but relationship with your mother or relationship with your husband or spouse is not very promising. You may involve in any litigation, or you may involve in any type of problem related to your marriage life. So keep calm yourself, be humble, be polite, and always keep smiling on your face. It will help you a lot in this tough period, because Saturn is retrograde in your first house and aspecting is on your 7th house, which is a house of your marriage life. So it is a time when your marriage life is on matter of concern. You need to focus on your relationship. I'm telling you on my video. Don't ignore the relationship. Try to be calm and humble. This is a testing. God is testing your patience. Saturn is testing your patience. If you are loyal about your spouse, you will definitely in this relationship. Otherwise, divorce is also seen in transit position. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius Ascendants. Aquarius Ascendants, this whole week from 17th August to 23rd of August bring a lot of happiness for you. Some unexpected money will knock you. You may invest new money with someone, and you may start a new partnership deal with someone. This is a time when you will be sky high and your old investment will give you very fruitful results. This is a time when you enjoy all type of comforts. Your family will help you and you will be in a great confidence. Your confidence level will be on another height. You will get some advice through communications, through emails or through phone calls, because Mars is in your 3rd house, which is linked with communication. There's a strong chances you will get some good advice from your friends through communications, or you may start any new business with any friend that is far away from your place. And this is a very productive week for you in the terms of finance, in the terms of money matters, in the terms of savings. You will be sky high and you will be top. Enjoy your week. Now I am going to talk about Pisces Ascendants. For Pisces Ascendants, this whole week bring a lot of happiness for you. You will get very good savings. Money will knock you. Unexpected gains you will see. Your business will get promoted and you will be on sky high, because your old investment give you very fruitful results. Your old stock will be clear, or you may invest your money in new stock and your savings will be rise. You will get a lot of profits. Your family and friends will support you. This is a time when good fortune started smile for you and you will enjoy a lot of comforts, lot of benefits. This whole week bring a lot of happiness to you. You need to focus on your work. Don't ignore the things which is coming on your way, because this is a time when a lot of opportunities will knock you. So guys, if Mahadasha and Antardasha supporting you in your birth chart, you will definitely rock in this week. Must consult with your nearest astrologer before taking any big decision. They will suggest you which type of Mahadasha and Antardasha right now running in your birth chart. As per Mahadasha and Antardasha, you can take any type of decision. So guys, I'm trying to sharing my knowledge with you. I hope you are satisfied, and I am very much thankful to you because you are giving me such a wonderful response. I'm really thankful to all of you with my folding hands. Now we will meet on another updates, astrological updates on another video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.